Okay, here's a quick little video update on this project for curtain rods. Just to let you know. All right, so if you want to fancy up your curtain rod or make it look a little bit better, and so it's not just like, so you're not just dealing with this like plain rod here, you know what I'm saying? You know, cut it off, whatever, plain rod. I went to, because that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to make it look a little bit nicer. So I went to the Restore, which here is called Habitat for Humanity Restore. I'm sure y'all got them wherever you're watching this at, unless you're watching overseas somewhere. Anyway, and I went through there, and I was actually looking for some, like some drawer knob pullers, or whatever. If you've seen on the previous video, is the drawer knob pullers is what I was looking for. I'm gonna see if I can find some, and I just gonna simply find some way to stick them in there. You know, maybe use a piece of foam or styrofoam or something like that. Stick it in there, and then just stick those in the end with the screw and call it a day. You know. Like I said, they're not going to be, you know, ain't nobody going to be messing with it. So, I mean, you know, you just got to get it stuck in there. I mean, you could hot glue it in there or something like that if you wanted to. You know, put a piece of cardboard on the end and then just hot glue the knob to it, or, you know what I'm saying, something stupid, something simple, you know. But anyway, I ended up finding these at the Restore, and in my bedroom, I needed 4, so I got 2 packs, and they were like $2 a piece. So I mean, like, you know, okay, $2. Hey, really don't know what they are or what they are supposed to be used for, but obviously I'm gonna use them for this. Now, I haven't figured out exactly how I'm gonna put this together yet, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Hey, and I've learned to use my camera, you know. I'm actually filming the right way, I think. But anyway, if you like what I'm doing so far, I haven't asked anybody to like and subscribe yet, so I guess it's time for me to do that. Like the video, subscribe, pass it on, share with your friends, families, your enemies, your frenemies, whoever, you know. And leave me some kind of feedback to let me know how I'm doing, basically. All right. So yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, pass, share. All right, fam. We'll talk to you soon. When I get this figured out, I'll post another video. All right.